In today's video, we are going to look at how you can use baking soda to reverse your performance. So if you have a problem with performance and you'd like to reverse, you need baking soda. Baking soda, it does many things. First of all, it will cleanse your body and it will help you to bring back your natural performance. Before I proceed, I come from Uganda. What about you? I'd like to know where you come from and the name of your country in the comment section. If you're on TikTok, Facebook, for such amazing videos, go to YouTube, look for Coach Uganda YouTube channel and subscribe. Remember, right now you're going to see how to use baking soda to reverse your performance. Do you go for 2 minutes, 3 minutes during the activity? My dear, this is the best video for you to help you to be a real person during the activity and to give you natural energy. Remember, if you have heart diseases, blood pressure, high blood pressure, my dear, I don't recommend you to use this home remedy. First consult your doctor before using this home remedy. Okay? And this video is for education purpose only. Doesn't tend to replace medical treatment. So consult your doctor before using it. You're going to get just one glass, like this one. Okay? Get one glass. So look for me or get for me warm water. Don't get boiled water, hot boiled water, just to be warm. So when you get your glass, here is my water. It's not hot, but warm. So get just a glass like this one. Okay? Like this one. This is enough. So this will help you to cleanse your body, first of all, to improve on your blood saturation, and to boost your performance. So it doesn't have overdose. The more you use it, the more you will witness good results. And you'll thank me later. You're going to get a little bit of your baking soda. When I talk about baking soda, I don't mean baking powder. These are different products, baking soda and baking powder. So you're going to get a little bit of your baking soda. Okay? This is my spoon, teaspoon, but I'm going to use this side, okay? Just a little bit of baking, just a little bit of baking soda, guys. So guys, this is enough. As you see, it's not too much, but it's enough because baking soda is very powerful. So just use the back of your teaspoon and bring it into your glass, as you see. Okay, as you see, guys, start mixing very well. This remedy is for good wellness. So if you like to improve on your performance, you like to improve on your activity, you need this amazing remedy. So from there, we need powdered ginger. Okay, powdered ginger. So you're going to add only a half teaspoon into your glass. But remember, I always tell you, if you're on TikTok, Facebook, for such amazing videos, go to YouTube, look for Coach Uganda YouTube channel and subscribe. I always upload videos like this one on my YouTube channel. So support me on my YouTube channel. And by the way, I have a membership program. You can join and benefit from my presence. So here we go. This is my ginger powder. You're going to put only a half tablespoon, guys. Okay, a half tablespoon. So you bring it here again and mix very well. And mix very well. Why do you use this home remedy? Some of us, we don't perform very well. Our natural energy is not good. Some of us, we have stress, we have diseases, we have different problems which reduce on our performance during the activity. But when you use this amazing home remedy, trust me, it will help you to bring it back, to reverse your activity back. So I recommend you to follow this home remedy up the end, because at the end I'll tell you when to take it and for how long to start seeing good results. Remember, I told you this video is for education purpose only. It doesn't intend to replace medical treatment. So consult your doctor before changing your diet. Here we go. After adding a quarter teaspoon of ginger powder, okay, we need another ingredient. Here is our lemon. You can use lime or lemon. It can be yellow in color or it can be green in color. So for the lemon, you're going to add only a half teaspoon of your juice. Okay, a half teaspoon. So this is my teaspoon. You're going to add a half. Okay, just a half. This is enough, guys. Not full, but a half. So bring it in your glass. Of course, you have to mix again. This is one of the remedies you can be taking every day to reverse your performance naturally, to improve on your physical performance naturally. Remember, some of us, our activity, we don't perform very well. So if you drink this amazing home remedy, my dear, you won't remain the same. So we have added our lemon juice. I told you you add a half teaspoon. Now from there, my dear brother, I told you always that you need this product in your house. This is natural honey. For natural honey, we need a full teaspoon. But before I proceed to add our natural honey to our amazing home remedy we are making right now, I always tell you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet, guys, subscribed. Invite your friends to my YouTube channel. Of course, you can share this video to your friends, okay? And by the way, you can support our channel by joining our membership program. Trust me, you'll benefit from my membership. Private videos, consultation, home remedies, privately if you join. So support me right now on behalf of our YouTube channel. So from that, guys, get for me natural honey. For natural honey, you're going to add, I told you, a full teaspoon. Okay, here we go. A full teaspoon. Okay, a full teaspoon. So this is our teaspoon, guys, as you see. You're going to bring into your glass and then mix again. Some of you have stress, diseases, which reduces your energy. You cannot sleep very well. You cannot perform very well. Your activities are always not good. So if you take such amazing home remedy, trust me, your activity won't kill you. Okay? Yeah. The performance, only your competitor will witness it. So here we go, guys. Now, we are done to prepare our home remedy. And I hope you have seen all the ingredients for this remedy to take place. And I hope you will try this amazing home recipe at home. Why do you need this? First of all, this home remedy, it will increase on your blood saturation. Remember, if you have high blood saturation, your activity will be good. Your performance will be good. Some of you lost your energy long time back because of stress, diseases, what. But if you take it, trust me, during the activity, you'll go very well. You'll perform very well. So, as this video is for education purpose only, and I told you, if you have heart diseases, okay, high blood pressure, you're not supposed to take this home remedy. You have to consult your doctor before taking it. my dear. You get me? So here we go, guys. Now, when do you use this amazing home remedy to see the results? And who will tell you that your activity is good, your natural energy is good? It means your competitor will tell you. So take this drink before going for activity. Before going for activity. And your competitor, your next competitor will tell you that really what you took, it works. Your performance is good. So you take it before going for the activity. Remember, you take it after eating. It means you first eat, you take this home remedy, then you go for your activity. My dear, you want to mean the same. This is amazing natural energy drink to improve your performance during the activity. I love you so much. As usual, my name is Coach Uganda. I come from Uganda. What about you? Feel free to like this video, to share this video, and to invite your friends on my YouTube channel, Coach Uganda. If you're on TikTok, Facebook, go to YouTube, look for Coach Uganda YouTube channel and subscribe.